everybody, it's me. I just wanted to hop on and do a little unboxing with you. I'm so excited. I got this box in yesterday and I had to wait until now because it would only be fair to do it, for real, for live. And you can always tell I'm about to read something when I have my readers on. So, but I do want to show you, it is Two Shadow Tuesday. So we have on cupcake and pomegranate, which is a pretty combination. But I'm going to go ahead and unbox. And some of this stuff is going to be used for giveaways, y'all. So just get excited, okay? So this is, if you have a class and you do a certain amount of sales, anything over $250 will get you rewards. But I had myself a class, and yeah, I got some goodies. I got lots and lots of goodies, and you can too. So let's just talk about this. So the first thing I got was the Seint rounds. Look at everything comes packaged so pretty too. So these are nice. These are reusable, cotton, washable, save the planet kind of rounds, right? And I love the packaging everything comes in. It's just so cool. And then I totally splurged. I got a lot of stuff, y'all. So, and you can too. Like, all I did was like $1,000 party, which is so easy to get to. And I invested in the wipes, which I'm super excited about, which I did break into last night because I couldn't wait to break into them. See? Super, they're awesome. You get about 50 wipes in a thing, so they last you about 2 months. They're thick. They're, use them for two-sided. Take off your makeup. Get ready for bed. Not right now. Don't do that right now. Well, you could do that right now. I suppose if you work third shift, you could do that right now. But anyway, yeah, the wipes, I'm super excited because I used them last night and they're just soft and they just clean so well and they just, oh, they're amazing. We have some brush cleaner. The best brush cleaner going. I have tried many. I have tried Sephora. I've tried, Clean. I've tried everything. And this is definitely the best brush cleaner going. Now, if you want to, and I'm going to do a video of this after, but we have our brush soap now, which I'm totally addicted to. You can only use it for like once a month, but I want to use it like once every 3 days because I'm just so addicted to it. It cleans your brushes, like it just makes them new. And if you're not cleaning your brushes, you're going to get shit application. I'm just going to be honest. So you've got to clean your brushes and you got to keep them clean and sanitized. And speaking of brushes, I also got, come out wherever you are. See, I haven't even opened this yet. I got myself a new detail brush. And this is for me. This is not going to be a giveaway because I love to use this for my, I love to use it for my contour, and then I use the other side. You can, get into your small areas. Got myself a backup Bubba because if you know me, you know that Bubba is my favorite. Everybody knows that Bubba eyeshadow is my favorite. The eyeshadows are so crazy pigmented. They just stay on all day. You don't have to do anything. I throw a little bit of maybe a little eyeshadow primer on, and they just stick like glue. They're awesome. Awesome possum. I'm just having fun. I feel like it's Christmas, you guys. And then I also got a new eyeshadow brush. I am going to keep this in the wrapper though, because I may use this for a giveaway. So if you follow me, keep following me because I think I'm going to have a lot of giveaways this month, because wait till you see what else I got. I got myself an 18 palette. Now this is my favorite one because it's the silver ones. It's super easy to clean. You throw a little brush cleaner on this baby and you're good to go. And you got everything in here that you need to go anywhere. It is the best. It is the best. And I have a lot of palettes. So to somebody who is very special, they're probably going to get this. But you got to be special. You got to watch. You got to have a class. You got to, work with me, people. And then this is crazy. These are all my backup items. And they come in these beautiful pouches. I have, can you hear all that? Can you hear all those? I got a lot of backups. I got, I got some of my wheat, my highlight, and I got, what else do we have here? the writing is so tiny that you guys, I need my magnifying glass. Oh, this is my Astoria and this is my contour. And they look crazy in the tins, but they're so not. They go on like silk and then they just blend and you're so good to go. But I want to show you what else I got because this is this my black cherry? Yes. I have some black cherries I'm going to be giving away too. And I know you say black cherry, you're like, oh my God, look at how dark that is. But check it out, you guys. Look at how pretty that is. I know I already did my makeup for today, but I'm throwing some black cherry on over it. Because I love the black cherry and you will too. So we get the black cherry, but you know, we're gonna put the readers back on because someone's blind. And I think that's about all I got. I got a lot of backups. I got my black cherry backups. I got my Astoria backups. Oh, I just dropped something in my jeans. You never know what's going to happen, do you? You just never know. Yep, that's another Astoria. So yeah, so listen, you guys, look at all these tins. Look at them all. Look at them all. Oh my gosh, so much fun. So much fun. So listen, if you want to know more, hit me up and send me a message or a comment below. All of my links are below. There's absolutely no excuse for not being able to find me or connect with me because I make it so super easy. And I would love to do a class with you or a color match with you. And I would love to get you all kinds of goodies. Like, you get this in the mail and you're just like, it's freaking Christmas. It is just awesome. Anyway, that is all I wanted to do. I wanted to come on. I wanted to do some unboxing and just show you just how much you can get with a class. And then the makeup, of course, well, we all know that that's amazing, but we'll do more posts on that. You don't need to see that again. Well, you probably do, but we're going to do that in a separate one. And I'm going to do the soap, the brush soap in a separate video too. So I love you guys and I thank you for tuning in and I hope you have a super awesome day. Bye.